Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me Hani here. Welcome back to PKO Putri Antasari YouTube channel. Hello guys, how have you been? I hope you in good condition and always happiness. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you that this is my second video in English, but I'm still nervous and a little bit confused how to start this all. I think you have to subscribe this channel first and don't forget to give me thumbs up. Okay, let's begin. The topic that I will discuss in this video is about benefits of education in online high school. Whether you are an adult who never complete your primary education or the parent of a child in need of special attention and flexibility, getting a diploma from an online high school might be the right choice for you. With this option, you will have a number of benefits. You will be able to take control of your education. You can learn everything you will be taught in a classroom, in the comfort of your own home. You can take charge of the decision that you make and the path that you will take during your education. For those of you who are still in high school or have never completed your high school education, or the parents who have a child still in high school, taking online class is the best option in this time. Because by taking online class, you will get some benefits. You can completely control and handle your education and your child education easily. An online high school can offer an array of advantages. You will have the ability to study your assignment at your own pace. You can focus on the assignment. It takes you a bit longer to complete. Well, easily and quickly going through assignments that are easier for you. The flexibility of the education in the internet is unmatched. Most programs allow you to attend your virtual class at any time of the day, so you can work around your busy schedule. Many people that take classes on the internet have busy schedules and often full-time jobs, and this form of education will allow you to work on your own terms and your own times. There are many advantages that we will get when participating in online high school. However, the most important advantage is that we can completely control the progress of our child education, and we can set our schedule and our activity, so we can still manage our time between study and work on our schedules as comfort as we are. Okay, from the text and the explanation, so we can conclude that the situation like this, pandemic period, turns out to make it easier for us in teaching and learning activities. Some of benefits that I have mentioned before, but also there are many difficult on online high school. For those of you who are constrained by signals or internet network, this online class program will certainly be a problem for you. Regardless of the advantage and disadvantage of these online class programs, these pandemic situations will quickly pass and we can all carry out our activities as before. Okay, that's all from me. I'm very apologize for any mistakes, and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope this is useful for you, and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.